This is creative designer Viti Kirani with a step-by-step video tutorial called Tropical Queen. First we take immix Art Essential Heavy Gesso White and apply it on our newly launched fern leaf bases. Look at the beautiful size and the designs. See how beautifully it's covered the bases. Next we take the stencil called Abstract Aztec Swirls and we use the stencil metallic paste green to give that green leaf color effect. See how creamy and gorgeous the stencil paste looks. It has some golden highlights in it. Now we will place the stencil on the fern leaf base and apply the metallic stencil paste like this. Just gently here and there to give that leaf design. Cover the whole leaf in the same process. Now we go to the right side of the leaf and apply the stencil paste. Wow, it's looking so nice, isn't it? Now complete the leaf design by applying the stencil paste on the left side of the base. And here you have it, the gorgeous stencil design for the fern leaf base is ready. Now we repeat the same process using the small tropical leaf, using the same green metallic stencil paste and the same stencil. This only takes a few minutes, but believe me, once the stencil paste dries up, it looks so amazing. Don't forget the stem of the leaf. And here you have it, a close-up of the beautiful stencil design. It really looks so realistic, isn't it? Now I take Spring Meadow Green chalk paint from immix and I will be covering the whole base of the leaf to give that two-toned effect. Believe me, it looks amazing. Here is a close-up of how the project will look. See how nicely the chalk paint is merging with the stencil paste and highlighting the textures. Repeat the same process for the small tropical leaf also. Now we take Expressions Craft decorative embellishments, the frangipani design set, a floral frame, and some beautiful chippies. The frangipani design. See how amazing the details are. I also take unicorn pink and purple affair shimmer metallic paints, and also stencil paste green, and let the magic begin. See how gorgeous they are looking after the applying these paints. Now these will form a design around the main focal design. In minutes your embellishments are ready. Now we take the two tropical leaves and arrange the small one on top of the big one. I'm using dimensional heavy gel from immix. I now paste the small tropical leaf on top of the big one, and I'm using the glacial lava grey chalk paint to give highlights for the leaves. I gently dab them with a paintbrush to the corners of the leaves to give it a raised 3D effect. This is called highlighting the corners of the leaf. Wow, the leaves are looking so realistic already. To repeat the same shading highlighting process for the big leaf also, as edges will be seen using the grey glacier lava grey chalk paint from immix. See how beautiful it's looking after shading. Now we take tropical collection handmade flowers and mixed bag handmade flowers from Expressions Craft and start framing the composition. I am gluing all the elements together using our dimensional heavy gel. I've attached cardboard to the base of the leaf, the smaller one, so that it will give a little height to the project. Now paste the small tropical leaf on top of the big tropical leaf like so. Now take the floral frame of the frangipani design and attach some cardboard to that also. The next step is to arrange these cute frangipani flowers to the opposite side of the floral frame. alternate the colors of pink and purple. That will give a very pleasing effect to the eye. Arrange them in the opposite side of the floral frame like so. Now we take the handmade flowers and attach it in between the two chippies of frangipani floral design. This will go behind the small tropical leaf. I'm attaching some yellow flowers next to the floral cluster. Keep repeating this process till you feel the composition looks complete. Now start forming the floral composition to the right side of the project and add some frangipani leaves in between the flowers to give that natural effect. Here also I am alternating purple chippies of the frangipani design and then the pink one. I form a circular design in between the two layers of the tropical leaves. So now you get the idea, right, of how a floral composition is done in a mixed media project when it is a shabby chic theme and you're using the gorgeous immix products from Expressions Craft. See how beautiful the composition is looking, right? Now complete the right side of the project with some more handmade flowers from immix. Now I take Joy of Spring glitter paste since I felt glitter would add more beautiful effects to the project. So I'm randomly applying Joy of Spring glitter paste mixed media range here and there on the project. Once it dries clear, you can only see the tiny bits of glitter on the project and it looks so beautiful. Now I am taking immix fairy dust. This is a fine glitter. This has some tiny green sparkles to it. Since this is a tropical design, there's a lot of green in it. I'm sprinkling it all over the project to give it that shimmery effect. And your project is ready. Here are a few close-up pics of Tropical Queen. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial as much as I enjoyed presenting it to you. Do watch our YouTube channel from Expressions Craft for more exciting videos from our fantabulous creative designers team. Till next time, keep smiling and happy crafting. Bye bye dears.